Okay, this is my set word problem. Lydia wants to redo her chair. She has 1 yard of material. It will take half of a yard to cover the seat. How much material will she have left? Well, a set word problem or a set problem is also a fraction. So we are just going to cut her 1 yard in half because she needs half to cover her chair. So if we cut our 1 yard in half, let's use a different color. Cut that right in half. We would have 1 half here and 1 half here. So we would be 1 yard minus 1 half. So to do the fraction problem, we would have to make this into a fraction, and then we would subtract 1 over 1 from 1 half, which would equal 1 half. I have a hard time with 1 half here. To break it down, you have to find your common denominator. So we're going to do that over here. I have a hard time with that. Here, I'll just use my finger. Okay. 1. Okay. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 minus 1 over 2. So we know that our common denominator is 2 in this equation. So we subtract 2 over 2 from 1 over 2, we get 1 half. So we know the answer is that she would have 1 half of a yard left after redoing the seat of her chair.